Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about talent. If you are a talented person and you are living in a small area where their facilities are not available according to your talent, then your talent will be wasted by the circumstances that is present around you. But if you are a talented person and you are living at exact place, then there are the chances that you can grow your talent. Such as if I talk about media, I am making videos, I am living in a village area. If I don't have the facility of internet, then how can I upload my videos, my talent on YouTube or other social media platforms? In this way, I can't reach you. So these problem, when I'm not able to make videos, when I'm poor person, another problem that I can't purchase a cell phone. So it is difficult for me to show my talent by sitting in front of the camera. So if you have a talent, then resources are required. And this is the responsibility of government, of some NGOs, that they should provide resources to those people who are talented and those who are willing to do something exemplary in their life. Otherwise, if they don't have proper platform, their whole talent will be wasted and they will live their life in extraordinary things while doing the extraordinary things. You can say that they will waste their time. So I think that for growing your talent, it is much necessary the resources and proper place. Proper place means I am living in backward village. For example, if I live in Mumbai, if I live in Karachi, Pakistan, then there I can search the opportunities according to my talent. If another example, if I will give you, I am interested in art and culture. I want to become an actor, but I am living far away from the industry area, such as from Mumbai, from Lahore or Karachi. Then I will waste my talent by staying at local places, because here no opportunities are available, no production facilities are available. Whole the production, film or drama production is going on in big cities. So for showing my talent, I should have the resources to travel to such areas and to stay there for a long time and then to grow my talent. And if I am lucky, then I can get success. Otherwise, I will be failed. But opportunity is available. Here in backward areas, you don't have opportunity. How can you judge yourself whether you can succeed or fail? So if you are willing to learn English language, you have learnt the English language by staying in backward area. But here is no usage of English language, no facilities. Even you can't share your experience through social media because you lack the internet facility. So problems are the big hindrance in your talent. And if you are talented, by luck you get a chance to grow yourself, then you will be succeeded. Hope you find these points hopeful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.